Secure the microscope base to the table using for screws. Install the limit ring and tighten the limit ring screw. Place the microscope standing on the column and then put on the protective cover on top of the column. Tighten the two knobs on the left side of the microscope holder that are responsible for securing it. The microscope stand is now firmly locked onto the column. Loosen the knob at the front of the bracket to raise it, then tighten it to secure it. Insert the screws on both sides into the holes and connect them to the microscope handles on both sides. The handle for easy left-right movement of the microscope lens has been installed. Insert the microscope lens holder into the microscope stand and tighten the lower knob responsible for securing it. After adjusting the lens bracket to a level position, use a wrench to tighten it. After adjusting the microscope stand connected to the lens holder to a horizontal position, tighten the knob. Loosen the screws on the lens mount. Mount the microscope lens onto the lens mount and tighten the screws. Use the connector to mount the microcomputer screen onto the microscope lens and then tighten it with a wrench to secure it. Remove the lens cap from the microscope. Loosen the screws with a screwdriver. Attach the eyepiece to the microscope lens and then tighten the screws. The eyepiece on the other side is installed in the same way. Put the leather case over the eyepiece. Adjust the eye distance appropriately. Connect the power supply to the microcomputer screen. Rotate to mount the 0.5x objective lens. The controller connects to the power supply and the ring light. Mount the ring light onto the microscope lens and tighten the 3 fixing screws. Turn on the power switch and adjust the brightness of the ring light.